Chrissy. That's Shay. That's Pat.
I'm Pat.
I'm Chris.
I burped.
Okay, we're gonna do a burpee contest. So, shh, don't talk, okay?
I burped in.
But she can't really burp, so okay, whatever.
I win. Well, once these people, well, I'm kind of like the producer. I'm the producers from Burping Frenzy. If you guys saw that before, those videos kind of got deleted. But
Someone's mom.
yeah.
Not
But
hers.
okay, this is like a. This is like a.
Yeah.
This is like.
I mean nothing.
This is
Cleo's mom saw this.
This is a new
just burped
Burping
again.
Look at
Frenzy,
the clouds coming in.
but with more.
Oh my God!
Fun.
Look at the clouds. They're coming in. I see them moving.
This is kind of like the trailer to Burping Frenzy's new.
It's like a blooper, so whatever. Do you guys want to talk about hot boys? Do you want to know who's hot?
Colton.
Golden.
What if he saw this?
Colton.
We don't tell him to look at it.
Yeah.
He's so hot though.
I know.
I know.
We're not really.
No, you know who I
Or
hope
big right
sees
now?
this? I hope Skylar, Jesus, Edgar,
Ryan.
and Ryan see this because I always tell Jesus and Edgar how hot he looks in this famous shirt.
How hot
Mhm.
Edgar looks.
No, Colton. You know the black one? The black famous
Oh,
shirt
yeah?
that he wore? Yeah.
You tell Edgar and Jesus that?
I told Jesus and Edgar that. Like every day I send them a
Edgar, if
message
you
on my
see this,
phone.
you're like my best friend. Yeah. The next time, let's try not to laugh in social studies again. Okay.
Who hates Mrs. Bacon here?
Woo! Yeah, me. That would be me.
Mrs. LaCoy is a bitch.
You'd
I
understand this
love
if you're a
Mrs.
trucking
DeCoy.
viewer.
I don't
Okay,
like
but
Mrs.
like
LaCoy.
our new burping series is gonna be called.
Something.
Any ideas?
Burpee.
Oh, I know.
Chris and
I
Shay.
know that.
Burp.
A lot of people. Okay, whoever watches this has to post a comment, or else
Well, you don't have to.
you won't get this.
Because they if she tells you to post a comment, you're not gonna post a comment.
I know,
Okay.
but if they don't, they won't.
We
get
don't have
this.
a name for our next like series of burps. So comment
This is
if
a
you
really long video.
comment
Gonna
comment if you have
I'm a fan.
any ideas.
I'm a fan of this. I am a fan of orange soda
Yeah.
and burping, especially burping.
Did
Well,
you? No, don't.
just
don't.
comment.
Oh my God, you guys!
Don't.
Just comment.
Did you guys know that I have a
So we
big
have-
ass?
Oh
Yeah, I know
Show the
that.
camera.
You want to see mine?
Oh. Okay, we'll just comment any ideas
Okay,
on.
yeah, okay. So comment if you have a good idea. for
Stop!
a new
Don't
burping-
press it.
For a new burping, a title for a new burping frenzy. Hey, that is fine. One last word before we go.
Wait, not yet.
Bye. I'm your producer, Patsy.
I'm a sexy girl.
Okay.